when you got two angles like this, you can set up a saw table with two different cut patterns on it, and then just do multiple cuts without moving. I'll show you how to make it. So we're running 16-foot siding, so you got to have a place to be able to support those long materials. So we built this table, and then we got two different boards that whenever you find the roof of your angle, or the angle of your roof, the angle of your roof, you set the one on the right to its angle, set the one on the left to its angle, and then you can just slide these pieces. Just slide the piece of siding, slide it through this little track here. Take your saw and run it. See how I've got little aluminum tracks that are the width of my saw, and then you just run it down that track, and it's the exact angle that you need on that side of the roof. And then you take your length and make a mark, and then you cut it on the other track that you have installed. Okay, so we're going to cut two angles on this one piece of siding here. First thing you're going to do before you cut the first angle is measure your length. So I'm at 95. Once you get it in your track, it slides real easy. First thing you're going to do is just barely cut the end. Right at the end, you can see through your little track here. And there's my first angle, see? That's meeting one side of that roof line. Now I've got a mark for my length, and I've got a little sight view right here where I can see down through this table. Just get that mark set. Now this is the angle of that second roof line. Built me a little spot here to hold the saw. Now that's the left and the right angle of this roof line up here.
I move that ladder if you don't mind.
Hey. Oh. Okay, so now what we're doing is overlaying this old siding and maintaining a little gap to where we can caulk in on that old piece of trim board, and then we're putting liquid nail on the back of the siding using galvanized nails. We'll caulk all this in and paint it. Burleson Handyman, 817-229-1853. We can't wait to come and work for you.